The original Goths were East Germanic peoples moving around the Roman frontier by the 3rd and 4th centuries. Not a monolith, they farmed, traded, and fought, sometimes against Rome, often for Rome as allies called foederati. Myth, they killed civilization. Reality, after pressure from the Huns, the Goths crossed the Danube seeking refuge. Rome mishandled it, and boom, Adrianople, 378 CE, where a Roman emperor died in battle. That hurt Rome, but it didn't end the world. Yes, Alaric's Visigoths sacked Rome in 410. Big headline, small fire. Loot leverage, not apocalypse. The city recovered. Meanwhile, Gothic leaders kept a lot of Roman stuff going. Theodoric the Great ruled Italy, with a Roman-style administration, senators, taxes. In Spain, the Visigoths created law codes like the Lex Visigothorum and blended cultures with locals. They were mostly Arian Christians at first, then many switched to Nicene Christianity. They spoke Gothic, a real language. That silver and gold manuscript? The Codex Argentius. 2 more myths to crush. 1. Gothic architecture isn't Gothic because of the Goths. Medieval critics use the word as an insult. 2. The modern Goth subculture isn't descended from them. It's 20th century music and fashion. So what happened? Over centuries, Goths blended into new kingdoms. Franks in Gaul, Byzantines in Italy, and later conquests in Spain. A few pockets, like Crimean Goths, lingered for ages. Reality, the Goths didn't end civilization, they helped remix it. They weren't cartoon villains, they were neighbors, rivals, rulers, bridge builders between worlds.